Hello everyone, I'm Avadh Shah. I'm dedicated functional consultant in D365. In this video, we are going to discuss about the accrual scheme. So to continuation of journal entries, we have a different type of journal entries. So today we are going to discuss about accrual scheme. What happens whenever uh, we have a two situations that first we have paid expense but it is not accrued actually accrued. So in this case what happens, suppose let me take the example of insurance. So we as a company we are taking the insurance of the employee for a 12 months, right? So today suppose let me narrate like that. Today we have a June month, okay, and for suppose my insurance tenure is 1st June 2025 to 30th, sorry, 1st July 2025 to 30th June 2026. So this is my insurance coverage. But generally what happens at the time of taking insurance, I will pay the full insurance amount of, suppose my insurance is 24,000 rupees. I will pay insurance amount as in a full as a full 12 month, right? But this insurance will valid for a whole year. So as per accrual, what I need to do, I need to divide this insurance amount into 12 months and I need to book 2000 every month. This is my yearly insurance cost and this is my monthly insurance cost. So in this case, suppose if you will see here, right now we are in 2025 26 year. So if I will see here 1 for 2025, sorry, 25 to 31st March 2026. This year will be end on this date, and this insurance also will be continue in next year of 2026. Okay, so here we need to make sure that this insurance will be working after 2026 also, right? So here if you will see, this will bifurcate like 9 month of 2025 6 and 3 month of 2026 7. So that's how it will bifurcate. So what happens at the time of the whenever we are taking the insurance, what will be entry into the system? So generally we are prepaid this insurance. So it is called as a prepaid expense or insurance expense for a 24,000 and to vendor or maybe bank. Okay, so that's this is my entry, and every month what happens? This prepaid insurance will, suppose this I am right now on 1st June 2025. This is my entry, and now and on every also I will on a same date, let me do like this. I will do the payment of the vendor 24,000 to bank. Okay, now what happen every month? Suppose this insurance will be, we have an option. Do you want to post this insurance expense as a beginning of the month, or end of the month, or middle of the month? We have three options. So suppose I have selected end of the month. So every end of the month, suppose 31st July 2025, what system will do? Here we have debited prepaid expense, right? So system will credit this prepaid expense with 2000 monthly, and this prepaid expense will convert to insurance expense, right? So insurance expense to prepaid expense, that will be entry, and this will be continuous for a 12 month. Every month same entry will be posted. Suppose here it is on 30th August 2025, I think so, 31st August 2025. Similar way, 30th September, same entry every month system will post. And what happens, due to which this insurance balance will got reduced. Here insurance balance is 22,000, prepaid insurance balance, then it will become 20,000, and then it will become 80,000, and lastly on a last date it will become like a zero. Okay, so that's how it will reduce the prepaid insurance balance and convert into the insurance. So this is the concept of the accrual. Similar way we have other expense, like generally what happens, we have a two option, rent, for rent, first we are paying rent on advance for each month, or in general case in India, what happens will right now we are in July month, so we'll stay after 30th July. So after 30th July, generally on August, first to 10th will pay the rent for the month of July. So what happens in this case? We need this rent is already accrued, but we have not paid this rent. So this is my liability. So what happens? Rent to accrued but not paid rent, and account will credit, right? This is my liability. Similar way, salary will work for the July month and will receive a salary of the July month in August. Same in electricity also. After July month will paid electricity in August. So this is the another case where our expense is due, but we have not paid. Okay, so that's how it will work. So right now we'll take the example of the insurance, and we'll post accrual into the system. So for accrual, what we need to do, we need to go to the journal ledger. In journal ledger, we have a journal setup. In journal setup, we need to go to accrual scheme. So what I will do, I will create a one accrual scheme of insurance, and now generally what happens, we will debit the expense and credit the prepaid. Sorry, yeah, but in this case what we'll do, in debit and credit we will enter only prepaid expense, prepaid insurance account. Then for voucher, we have a various option. Do you want a same voucher for all transaction, new voucher for accrual? If you want a new voucher, then you need to mandatorily select the number sequence of for the same. But for time being, what I will so I will do, I will select the same voucher for all transaction, whether it is accrued and a current transaction. Right here, I can write my description: accrued insurance expense. Right. So here we have a option: calendar basis, fiscal, and allocation key. So this calendar I have selected because this I need to make sure that this will be a continue after year end also, right? Suppose suppose here I will select the fiscal, then what happens after fiscal period end, it will not post the any entry. So I will select here calendar. Even we have a allocation key option. We can create a allocation key. Like suppose some here we have a allocation wizard. We can run this wizard, and we can here define the percentage, and for this percentage, it will allocate the expense. That is also available here. Now right now I'm selecting calendar here yearly, sorry, monthly, and I'm selecting 12 number of occurrence, and here also I will select month, and here I will select the end of the month, and here evenly and a number of day, means evenly means it will post entry on every end of the month, or sometime what happens, it will post the it will I mean calculate number of days and calculate after every 30 days. But better we have selected evenly as per the insurance. And now what we'll do, we'll create one accrual scheme into the system. This is the setup we need to do. Here in debit and credit level, I have selected prepaid insurance. So you need to select the prepaid account, which is a asset account. And in case of the AR, it will be a liability account, AR account. So you can select as per the condition and transaction of the transaction with AR in ARP. Now what I will do, I will go to the general entries. I will create a new general entry, general. I'm going into the lines. Now we have an option here in functions. You have an option of ledger accruals. Okay, yeah. First I need to select here ledger. So what ledger I will select here? I will select the insurance expense. Sorry. Hmm. I will select the insurance expense, and this insurance expense have a debit balance, so I will write here 24,000. And in offset account, I will select, right now I'm selecting bank. Okay, yeah. And what I will do, I will go to the functions. I will select the ledger accruals. I will select my template of insurance. So the start date is 1st June, and it will post every month end, right? So let me see the transactions. We can see here transactions. So it is a starting with 1st of July, but I have set up it like it will post entry on a every month end. So it will posting on 31st July, 31st August. Similar way, 2000 it will transferring from accrued to expense account. Expense account to accrued account, right? This is my insurance expense account, and this is my prepaid insurance account. So we have entry till 30th June 2026. Now I will click on OK. Right. Now what I need to do, this is entry I need to post. You are wondering that the first entry of the system is a prepaid insurance to vendor or maybe bank, right? This vendor debit credit I can remove, but the first entry is a prepaid insurance to bank, right? But why I have selected here not prepaid expense but insurance expense, because the system will work on the basis of the same. If you will see here in functions, ledger accrual, so it is selecting this ledger for a accrual, right? Insurance expense, and whatsoever I have selected in posting profile, entry will create for the same only. So so let me post the entry. You will understand this on better side after posting this entry. Yeah. So if you will see here, I have selected here expense account, but system will post entry to prepaid insurance to bank only, right? So this is a correct entry, prepaid insurance to bank. And if I will here only, if I will go to the in a print, if I will go to the posted transaction by journal, I can see all the detailed transaction of 12 month. See, first entry is prepaid to bank, and every time prepaid will every month prepaid will reduced, and it will transfer to the expense account, and this balance will be a zero of prepaid, and we have only impact on a expense level, right? And if you will see, even though a year will close here on 31st March 2026, it will continue to post entry for April, May and June also, as per our setup. If I will select here fiscal year, then it will post only during the current year only. But I want entry full-fledged for all 12 months. So that's why I have selected, as I have done setup as per the same. And yeah, this is how we can post a proper entry, uh, and we can post the accrued expense into the system. I hope you like this video. And please stay tuned and subscribe for more such a valuable video. Thank